Hey, it's your girl Ama. I always wanted to say that. We're about to get it poppin' and make what I call A-wings. So stay tuned.
Can I tell you that I'm wanting you? I'm in love with the way.
For real, we could not find just regular chicken wings. So they already had these seasoned chicken wings with garlic and pepper. So I was like, I'm gonna just use that junk. At first, I was gonna lie to you guys, but I was like, I'm just gonna be honest, and I'm trying really not to be trifling in this 2018.
Watching a dip low. Dances on me and I just sip slow. Watching your head down to your tiptoe. You know I go something for when we get home. Get home. Now you're in my zone, in my zone. Now we gon' get grown. Within your frame, it's like window.
Make sure when you guys are adding salt, don't kill yourself. Please don't kill yourself. Add salt to your own discretion. It's important. Allow the chicken to completely boil all the way over, so make sure it cooks well. And get a lid so you can cover it. I'm African. I don't really measure stuff. I just go with what the Holy Spirit tells me. When the Holy Spirit tells me to stop, that's when I stop. He's my boss, okay?
You should have a drink or two. Truth is, I wanna lie with you, so come my way. Feel like you need somebody. So baby girl, come my way. Feel like you need somebody. Like, So tell me what you want from me, girl. Cause I can give you what you need, girl. So tell me what you want from me, girl. Cause I can give you what you need, girl. You're looking my way now. Big spliff when we lay down.
For real, this honey was expensive as a mug. So I was like, I got used to the junk as much as possible. And I gotta add some Worcester sauce. You can say Worcester, I say Worcester. It's whatever. I said what I said, and I'm standing by it. I have an extremely sweet tooth. I love sweet things. I love sugar. So add it at your own precaution. Just don't kill yourself. That's it. Please, don't kill yourself. Seriously. Don't.
Can I tell you that?
Wow, that sauce is looking so sexy. It's looking so nice. Wow, that chicken is even looking more beautiful. So, putting the chicken in the strainer, and I already heated the oil. Make sure that oil is hot, but it's not too hot, because as you can see, the fire was way too hot and I was about to die. Don't kill yourself. That's the whole motto of this whole video. Don't kill yourself. Wow, that chicken is really making a whole lot of sense. It's really making sense. Wow, that's really sexy. I like that. I definitely should have used the proper utensil to take the chicken out, but I was like, look, I can't kill myself. These people, they're gonna just see me taking the chicken out. Like, I can't kill myself as long as it's doing the job, honestly. Shoot. We love crispy chicken in our house. That's why I'm gonna put it in the oven just to get it that extra, kick. And I was definitely about to die. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that was wow. See, I was just so tired. Look at my face. So, yep, nice and crispy. You see the way I suffer for you guys. The way I was so tired. Girls are my bro rough. Wow, look at that sauce. It's drizzling. Gonna toss that junk and shake it.
I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's jarring, no stalling. I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's jarring, no stalling. I might link my ting from barking. 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's jarring, no stalling.
And that's how you make the A-wings. A-wings for Ama. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in again. Watch, like, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. Send me a DM. All comments, concerns, suggestions are welcome. Thank you so much.
Over there, they ain't like me. I got a Portuguese thing, not wifey. She said my temper's tiny. I got 2 different roles like Miley. You hit me up, that's unlikely. But I walked in a rave with a fresh trim. Share my Colgate teeth.